21 जून को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस मनाने की घोषणा की थी। योग की उत्पत्ति भारत से हुई है। पतंजलि के संपादक के अनुसार जो चीज हमारे मन की वृत्तियों को नियंत्रित करती है उसी को योग कहा जाता है। योग के विभिन्न प्रकार होते हैं, जैसे जन योग, राजयोग, भक्ति योग, हस्त योग आदि। योग के अंतर्गत विभिन्न क्रियाएं जैसे कपालभाति, प्राणायाम आदि आते हैं, जो कि स्वास्थ्य के लिए सबसे प्रभावी क्रियाएं मानी जाती हैं। सूर्य नमस्कार, पद्मासन, शीर्षासन आदि विभिन्न प्रकार के आसन विभिन्न उद्देश्यों से किए जाते हैं। योग हमारे मन और शरीर के संबंधों को भी मजबूत बनाता है। इससे हमारे शरीर में सकारात्मक ऊर्जा आती है। धन्यवाद। आप सभी को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Yes, sir. That when you are inspired by some great purpose, some extraordinary projects, all your thoughts break their bonds. Your mind transcends limitations. Your conscience expands in every direction, and you find yourself in a great, new, and wonderful world. With these beautiful lines, I, Ranjana Joshi, from class 12th D and a cadet of 78 UK Battalion, NCC Haldwani, welcomes you all, Honorable Vice Principal Sir, respected teachers, and all my friends and juniors, to today's special gathering on the occasion of International Day of Yoga. International Day of Yoga is celebrated on 21st June every year. This special observance represents India's culture, legacy, and influence over the world. Just like yoga, which has gained special global recognition for its transformative benefits on the mind and body, as well as holistic well-being. The visionary behind the International Yoga Day is none other than Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, recognizing the incredible potential of yoga. He proposed the idea of the United Nations General Assembly in 2014. The proposal received overwhelming support, leading to the declaration of 21st June as International Day of Yoga. Yoga is derived from the Sanskrit word yud. Yoga means union of the individual consciousness or soul with the universal consciousness or spirit. It is a system of raising your ability to perceive and enhance and to realize your ultimate nature. Yoga is the most profound exploration of the very mechanism of life. It is a gift to humanity. A good yoga practice is one that allows its practitioners to achieve peace with themselves and the external world they inhabit. The spiritual aspect of yoga emphasizes the attainment of peace and clarity of mind, while perfecting the posture is of secondary importance. At last, yoga is an invaluable gift of ancient Indian traditions. It embodies unity of mind and body, thought and actions, restraint and fulfillment, harmony between man and nature, and a holistic approach to health and well-being. योग धर्म नहीं, विज्ञान है। इसमें शरीर, मन और आत्मा को जोड़ने का विधान है। थैंक यू एंड हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।